This is my video for the reflection on learning for the PPJ preliminary report. So one area of improvement I felt for me was definitely time management. With the proposal document, I struggled to get through the document and plan efficiently before. So yeah, I didn't produce the document that I wanted to. And I feel like with the preliminary report, I've managed my time quite a bit better, so I had more time to get through the whole document. And also another aspect of this is to not let stress or discomfort slow you down, and not let it sort of paralyze you in a way, because that's what it felt like. I got stuck at certain places with my proposal document. And whenever it happened here, I tried to move forward and then maybe come back to a section that I got stuck at. And another thing that also helped is when I just asked some people, like for example my study leader, just on clarity, or stakeholders, what they wanted. And also another thing that helped is my peers, when I asked them what they thought of what to do at a certain section or whatever. Then they gave me advice on how they did it, and yeah, that sort of helped. So yeah, just basically ask for help. And then from a technical point of view, I guess one thing is to improve the context of what I was saying, and also phrase it a little bit differently so that the reader could understand better. I believe um, that I did do that better in this one. Also, another one is to look at the data of what is in front of you, or the data that you retrieved from your stakeholders. So yeah, you might have an idea and you think that it's best, but you didn't objectively look at it. So I'd say that's one thing that actually helped me, and to speak with them, because then I figured out something that I thought I wanted to do, I wasn't going to do anymore, because it's not the best in the context of the data. And yeah, I believe that this preliminary report definitely helped me grow in different areas, and it made me better, I believe, technically and also personally. So yeah.